Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SurveyMonkey account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, what are the free and paid plans in SurveyMonkey? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know what the free and paid plans are with SurveyMonkey anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your customers because that can help guide which way your services or products are going to go. Whatever the case is, SurveyMonkey offer free plans and paid plans. And rather than just showing you what the price is, I'm going to show you how I can find it because the prices could change at any time. So I've already logged into my SurveyMonkey test account. This is a free account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written information there. So once you've logged into your free SurveyMonkey account, in order to find the most recent pricing, you want to click up here on the top left, plans and pricing. Okay, so here is where you can see what the pricing difference is for SurveyMonkey. Now, the biggest difference on the paid and the free plans are the amount of responses you can get. So you can set up a free account on SurveyMonkey and then you can go ahead and create surveys, but you're capped at 25 responses, which is a pretty small group to survey. So if you're going to be expecting more responses than that, then you would need to upgrade to a paid plan. So first, what you want to do is look up here on the top. So we have team plans, individual plans, and enterprise. So with enterprise, you're going to need to talk to a sales rep because they're going to craft a paid plan for you depending on how many responses you're going to get. However, if you're small potatoes like me, usually an individual plan would work just fine. So if you click here on individual plan, you can see there's the Premier, which is $99 per month, billed annually. So about $1,200. Advantage, which is about $34 per month, billed annually, $408 annually. And then the standard monthly. So on the monthly, you can pay monthly and there's no commitment like a 1 year. However, if you sign up for the standard, you can get up to 1,000 responses per month. So depending on your audience size, that might be sufficient. However, if you're going to be polling a huge audience, then you might want to sign up for the Advantage. And as you can see, there's 15,000 responses, so 15 times. But you do need to have the annual plan. And then same thing with the Premier. This is up to 40,000 responses per year. Sorry, let me correct myself because this is 1,000 per month, which is 12,000 per year. If you pay annually, then you get 15,000 responses per year. So it's about 3,000 more responses and you get a $1 per month break. So it's not a huge discount. And then this one right here is 40,000 per year. So you're looking at about 3,500 responses per month. In addition to that, you get these other features. So here you can go ahead and accept payment. On this side, you can't. You can upload files on these plans. This side, you cannot. Also, they have a team plan right here. So if you are operating with more than 3 users, for example, right here, Team Advantage, it's $25 per user per month. So it's a minimum of $75 per month billed annually. So this is going to run you about $850 or so, but you get 50,000 responses per year and you can have 3 users in there working at the same time. So depending on the size of your operation, you may go with a team plan or an individual plan. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one of these fits your particular plan. But the main thing you want to watch out for are the amount of responses that you can get on your surveys each year. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what the free and paid plans are in SurveyMonkey, that's the easiest way I know how to find that information. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.